In this video, we're going to cover how to use your Befitted Hat Stretcher and Maintainer. The Befitted Hat Stretcher and Maintainer is meant to keep your hat in its proper shape when not being worn, stretch your hat to a larger size, and maintain your hat for storage. Hats tend to shrink over time due to different climates, moisture, and weight fluctuations. The Befitted Hat Stretcher and Maintainer ensures none of these will affect your hat size. To store and maintain your hat when not wearing it, place the hat upside down on a table or flat surface. Next, put the closed Befitted stretcher inside the hat with the logo facing up, and turn the black handle in the center counterclockwise until the stretcher is snug inside the hat. Make sure you do not over-tighten the stretcher. Just make it the same tightness as you would wear an actual hat. To stretch your hat to a larger size, use steam on the inside of the hat around the hatband area. This loosens the material around the hat to be resized. Just like the previous steps, place the stretcher inside the hat, logo facing up, until it's snug inside the hat. Then twist the black central handle to the desired size. Leave the Befitted Hat Stretcher and Maintainer inside the hat overnight, and by the next day you can check for the correct hat size or repeat the steps until you get your desired hat size.